You're so lovely, you're so lovely. I can't help but fall for you.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. I hope you guys had a great Christmas and Happy New Year. I know I haven't posted in a while, but that is because I wanted to spend some time with my family during the holidays, and I just needed like a week off for myself and for my family. I'm going to start the video off by doing my skincare, just obviously waking up in the morning, brushing my teeth. After that, I'm going to go downstairs and get some juice and maybe an egg because I want this breakfast to be light because I woke up a bit late, but that's fine, right? It's Christmas break. We will see what I do after that. Before we get into this video, I would just like to thank Mix Easy for sending me these 2 face cleansers and this face mask. Mix Easy is an amazing company where you can build and create your own formulas for face masks, face washes, and much more. The products are customizable to your liking, and you get to choose up to 5 ingredients, and each ingredient has its own purpose and benefit. The ingredients are all high quality, safe, and natural. Mix Easy doesn't use any colorants, parabens, mineral oils, dyes, silicone, sulfate, or any chemical substances, so you know that your body is in good hands. Also, their products are cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. Now I will show you how you can build your own formulas on the website. Lastly, use my code Cathy for 15% off on your next order. The link will be in my description down below. I'm going to wet my face. I was out there sitting for a really long time. It was so relaxing, and I just drank my apple juice. I was at least there for an hour or more, just laying in the hammock. And now it's really hot outside, but I like the heat because my house is usually really cold. So I think I am going to get my skateboard and just skateboard and chillax some more. I just want this bay to be really relaxing, and yeah, just a nice day. Look at my shadow. It feels so good. There's a little breeze while I skateboard. Speed bump. Ah! Oh my gosh, I just realized I have 2 hair ties on my wrists. I love this fisheye. Oh, there's a fisheye trend. Should I try it? On TikTok, there's this trend where you poke it. But I think this is a hard fisheye. Yeah, no, you can't poke this one. Let's try the other one. shy trends. That's cool. Hi there. It is now time to change my bed sheets. I'm like super hot, but it's time to change my bed sheets because, you know, nasty bed sheets and your pillow covers are probably really dirty, and that's one of the reasons why a lot of people get acne, because it's dirty. So I'm gonna change mine, and yeah, let's hop into the time lapse right now. Now I think it's time for me to go shower, because after this I'm going to a friend's house and then I'm gonna sleep over at her house. Before I leave, I'm just gonna have some blueberries and then put on a face mask and then end the video there, or I might vlog some at her house. We'll see. Here is my outfit. It is just a Hollister shirt and then some jean shorts. I have this little gum face mask from Sephora. I have a little brush, so I'm going to squirt some on there, and then I have a mirror right across from me, so here we go. Now I just sit and wait with my bear until my mask is done, and then I'll wash it off. I think I'm going to watch some Netflix right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I obviously enjoyed this video. I had such a great and relaxing day. I need to do this more often, and you for sure probably need to do this more often as well. And here is a little reminder to drink some water, drink lots of water, stay hydrated. That reminds me, I should be drinking water right now. So yeah, this concludes the video, and what great way to end my self-care day than with my friends. So I'll be heading over to her house, and then I may or may not record, I will see, but I'm gonna head over there. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, turn on post notifications to get notified when I post new videos, and don't forget to leave a big like on this video. Bye guys!